How to make crew logo in Blox Fruits. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to tap create, and then here, next thing to do is to simply go to your development items that is under creations, and then go to decals, tap this one. Now you have to upload from your gallery, from your device, from your computer. Click upload again. Okay, so import the file from your computer. Enter a name here and then description. Then once done, all you have to do is just simply click upload. So wait as it is uploading, or you can also refresh the site. Now go to marketplace, and then under marketplace, you can see their options, but all you have to do is to go to images. Now you can search something here. For example, I want to search AI image. So I just had to type it here and then click search. Now you can see here examples of AI images, and all I have to do is to select one. Okay, so for example, this one, I'm going to use this for my Blox Fruit. Now once you tap the image, you just have to click this get decal. Now go to inventory, scroll down and tap decals, and then select the image or file that you wanted to use later for your Blox Fruit. For example, this one, tap this. Now go back here and then copy this URL. Okay, copy. Then go back to your Blox Fruit. Okay, and then here you just have to paste that URL or link that you copied earlier to this. Wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make your logo in Blox Fruits. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.